Vocabulary. Food. 1. Find 7 types of fruit using these letters. You can use the letters more than once. P, R, O, E, A, U, G, L, M, N. Mango, plum, grape, apple, orange, lemon, melon. Complete the words in the menu and the recipe. The Terrace. Bistro menu. Chef's choice. Tender baby chicken grilled in a lemon and herb sauce. Served with rice and broccoli. Meat eater's delight. Beefsteak marinated in a cream and spinach sauce. Served with potatoes. King's Feast. Roasted leg of lamb with rice. Cabbage and freshly steamed courgettes. Pasta Atlantica. Fry 50 grams of shrimps in a pan with a little butter. Add onions and garlic to the pan. Boil 50 grams of mussels. Cook the pasta. Mix the pasta and seafood and put in a tray. Add a layer of cheese on top and cook in the oven for 20 minutes until brown. Grammar. May, might, will. 3. Circle the correct option to complete the sentences. 1. What are you doing this weekend? B. I'm not sure. We may go to the seafood restaurant. 2. A. Will that cafe on Wardour Street be open tomorrow? B. I don't know. It might be. 3. A. I've cooked little Johnny some vegetables for tonight's dinner. B. Thanks, but he won't eat them. 4. A. Can I try your food? B. Be careful. It may be too hot for you. B. Won't send, may not. 5. A. Do we need to buy any ingredients for this recipe? B. Maybe. We might have enough garlic. Can you check? 6. A. You know Melissa's a vegetarian, don't you? B. Okay, I want tea, cook meat. 7. A. Are you going to that new bar before you leave town? B. I don't know. I hope so, but we may not have time. 8. A. What are your predictions for food in the future? B. The good news is I think it will be more healthy. 4. Put the words in the correct order to make 6 predictions about food. 1. More, eat, no, people, what, about, will, they. People will know more about what they eat. 2. Future, we, animals, the, eat, won't, in. We won't eat animals in the future. 3. Eat, food, we, more, organic, may. We may eat more organic food. 4. Might, illegal, junk, become, food. Junk food might become illegal. 5. Fatter, people, West, will, get, in. People in the West will get fatter. People will get fatter in the West. 6. The, left, may, there, see, not, be, in, fish, any. There may not be any fish left in the sea. How to eat less. Brian Wansink of Cornell University did some experiments to show why we eat too much. Here are some of the results. 1. Wansink invited a group of people to lunch. He told half of them they were eating something expensive and delicious. Royal Italian Bolognese with haricots verts. He told the other half they were eating cheap food from a can. In fact, both groups ate the same food. He secretly watched them. The ones who thought they were eating expensive food ate much more than the others. Conclusion: if people think the food sounds good and is expensive, they think it tastes better. 2. Wansink did an experiment at a cinema in Chicago. He gave everyone a free bag of popcorn, but the popcorn was old and tasted bad. Most people noticed this, but they still ate almost all of it. Conclusion: how much we eat depends on where we are, in the cinema, what we are doing, concentrating on a film, not on food. What other people are doing, eating popcorn. These things may be more important than the taste of the food. 3. Wansink went to a sports bar and gave the customers free chicken. The waiters cleaned half the tables every few minutes and took away the chicken bones. No one cleaned the other tables. The people with clean tables ate 7 pieces of chicken on average. The others ate 5. Conclusion: when we see how much we're eating, we eat less. When we can't see how much we're eating, we eat more. 4. Wansink invited people to watch a video. He gave them each a bag of sweets to eat during the film. Half the bags had sweets with 7 different colors. The other bags had sweets with 10 different colors. The people whose sweets had more colors ate 43 more sweets than the others. Conclusion: when there is a big variety, people want to try everything, so they eat more. 5. A. Read the text and match pictures AD with paragraphs 1 to 4. 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A. B. Read the text again and circle the correct option. 1. Why did Wansink do the experiments? B. To discover why people eat more than they need. 2. How did Wansink do his experiments? B. He gave free food to people and then watched them. 3. Who ate more? The people who thought their food was expensive. 4. What was interesting about the popcorn experiment? A. The popcorn didn't taste good. 5. Who ate more chicken? B. The people with clean tables. 6. Who ate more sweets? B. The people whose sweets had 10 colors. Match the words in bold in the text with these meanings. 1. Giving your attention to something. Concentrating. 2. Many different types of things. Variety. 3 scientific tests to find information. Experiments. 4. Based on a calculation of what most people do. On average. Writing. Sentence structure. 6. A. Join the sentences with and, but or when. Use each word twice. 1. I have always liked cooking. I cook every day. I have always liked cooking and I cook every day. 2. I was very young. I cooked my first meal. I was very young when I cooked my first meal. 4. I was working as a chef in a horrible hotel. I decided to open my own restaurant. I was working as a chef in a horrible hotel when I decided to open my own restaurant. 5. I don't drink alcohol. I use a little wine in some of the dishes I prepare. I don't drink alcohol, but I use a little wine in some of the dishes I prepare. 6. I like meeting customers at my restaurant. I ask them about the food. I like meeting customers at my restaurant and I ask them about the food. B. Put the words and also in the correct place in the sentences. 1. My favorite types of food are pasta, fresh fish. I like fruit. My favorite types of food are pasta and fresh fish. I also like fruit. 2. Every morning I buy vegetables, herbs from the market. I buy meat there. Every morning I buy vegetables and herbs from the market. I also buy meat there. 3. I find that the food in the market is fresher, better quality. It's cheaper. I find that the food in the market is fresher and better quality. It's also cheaper.